Hey guys, so I'm at the truck. This past couple of weeks for me has been crazy. We took one of the truck to Nigeria, and a process that was meant to take about 3 days is currently entering 2 weeks. The system we in Africa impose on ourselves makes things harder, way harder and unnecessary. The drivers were at the border for like almost 6 days. Today their system is down, tomorrow this, and the money we've spent. So yeah, like I said, Africa, I weep for us. We have a long way to go in developing ourselves. Like the borders feel like it's a marketplace. So for anyone trying to transit something from Ghana to Nigeria and vice versa, I would honestly advise do not do it. It is a lot of money for one, waste of time. You don't even know who you're talking to. It has been a chaotic moment, but as at now, our truck is at the border between Nigeria and Benin. So yeah. Anyways, for good news, I have two staff now, a manager and a cook, and we started our training today. So we have a 5 days training, and we started it today, and it went fantastic. I am so happy. I'm hoping to get another staff within the next 2 days, but right now everything is looking up, so I'm excited. So I've not gone, I'm still here, guys. I am still setting up my business here, but by the end of next week I would actually have it running. So around 25th everything will be sorted and I'll have the business going. So yeah, I am so excited. Any other updates? Nothing really. Like I said, just really focusing so much on my staffing, on my training, and still getting a lot of things into the truck. So I would say I am 90% done. Yes, I'm excited. But yeah, so that's just it from me today. Boy. So yeah, I think I'm heading home now. I'm so tired. A lot of people have been messaging me, asking me about setting up a business. I've spoken to some of you guys. So yeah, if you want any information concerning setting up a business in Ghana or setting up a business in general, I can consult with you. So you just drop me a message on Instagram at Chef Sally. I'll put the link here. So ciao, bye. So today's our staff training. I'm back in Lagos. So I'm doing some training for some of our new staff, some of our old staff. Well, some staff, a staff had to go, sadly. I'm not actually happy sacking people. It doesn't really give me joy, but it was just something that was needed. So after that, since I've been away, honestly speaking, I'm trying to ensure that this business can survive without me being there. So I'm really working hard right now to do a 1 week intense training with my staff so that they can really understand the kind of company they are working for and just really understand their roles. So that's just what we are going to do for the next 1 week. And maybe not maybe, but want to revamp the food truck as well, put a bit more excitement, do some general cleaning. So yeah, so for the training, I have a lot of things to cover with them, but it's not just theoretical, it's also practical. So after we finish here, we'll also take it up with go back to the kitchen and do the training more. So I'm really excited. I hope it's positive at the end of the day because a lot of money is being spent into this training. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
culinary advancement, regardless of how much you think you already know.
You are this, you are that, you have to respect even to the last of the cleaner. Because you being as a cleaner, you have the duty that you are performing, you have your own department that which you are also rendering an account. So every one of us, we have to respect every department. There is no department that is inferior.
From something they eat or drink, we call it a foodborne illness. Having a foodborne illness can feel a lot like the flu. Someone who has a foodborne illness would probably complain of upset stomach, vomiting, diarrhea, fever, and chills.
So they are back from their break, and I give them a task. So we have 3 teams, and they have 10 minutes to come up with a company national anthem. So you guys are going to get to hear some beautiful voices. And yeah, you can also tell me the ones you think you like, and there's a prize to be won for the group that has the best song. So watch.
All right, we are group number 1. So we titled our song Quality.
Okay.
So the song actually speak about the company, the quality of the company, we speak about the core value of the company, and also the mission of the company, where the company is driving to, what is their goal.
Okay.
So that is the title, as in the message that the song is giving out.
Okay, so please, when you are singing, elevate your voice so we can hear you well.
Don't forget, they are laughing.
Elevate your voice.
We operate on quality, our core value.
Eco food, environment friendly way.
Joseph,
Our
Lucy.
mission is for quality. Our services is for dedication. Our services is for neatness. 12-inch baguette ecosystem. We operate on quality. Our core value.
Eco food, environment friendly way.
Our quality is the best ever. 12-inch baguette ecosystem. We operate on quality.
Yeah, let's go. 12-inch bag. Shut now. You know they too fast.
Okay, let's go.
12-inch baguette. The quality sandwich. You can have in Nigeria. We are the best sandwich. We are eco-friendly. We are here, there, and everywhere. We are freshly made. We are healthy. You can build your baguette according to your taste. You can place your order. We deliver to your doorstep. Okay, everyone.
Hello.
This is group 3, and the title of our song is Build Your Bread.
Okay.
And why we chose that title is because one spectacular thing about 12-inch baguette is building your own bread. Like you can make your own fillings. If you check any sandwich company anywhere, they just give you what you want, shawarma, burger, and they have their own fillings. But this one, you have to build it yourself and do it the way you want, and preferably your taste.
Thank
And
you.
it goes like this. Build your bread with 12-inch baguette.
Wait.
You guys should stop now.
Daniel, we can't hear you, so elevate your voice. Elevate your voice.
Okay, this one goes this way. Build your bread with 12-inch baguette. Lagos, Ghana, Abuja. Build your bread with 12-inch baguette. A reliable, fast sandwich company. Build your bread, build your bread, build your bread at 12-inch baguettes.
Thank you.